Today's review is on the latest pair of Tomica Premium, Lamborghini Diablo SV. The one above is the regular version in yellow, while the below is the commemorative version in orange. This Lamborghini Diablo SV on the box looks sleek. It comes with authentication sticker with personalized serial number, and the diagram above shows the Diablo SV with functioning door and headlights. Wow, this casting looks great. It looks sleek and premium as well. And I like how the color of the headlights are matched identical to the body, although they are made of different material. Plenty of details on the rear, although they are painted, it still looks premium. The stock wheel set looks great on this Diablo SV. Although it doesn't come with any rubber tires, it doesn't look inferior at all when compared with other wheel sets. Just like the Ferrari, it has a lever below for retractable headlights. The functional scissor door looks great. When opened, the paint doesn't interfere with each other without any paint loss. In my eyes, this immediately falls into the premium category, and it looks on par, if not better than the Ferrari. Next, the Diablo SV in commemorative colors. This is the third red box by Tomica Premium, and so far they are all exotic cars. When compared with the regular version, there is no difference except for the colors. The orange color on the body comes in pearl finish, and it looks far more premium than the yellow color. Same Tomica Premium did a good job by matching almost identical color on the headlights versus the body, despite different material. They both share same features on the headlights and opening scissor doors. Just like the Ferrari, this commemorative color is a Japan exclusive and also a very popular casting in high demand. In conclusion, they make a great pair, and once again Tomica Premium is the way to go, and they are very fun to collect. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!